Before borders, before empires, before the Atlantic carved away memory, there was a people, rooted in the forests, rivers, and red earth of southeastern Nigeria. Their name was Igbo. Their story is not just history, it is survival, identity and truth reclaimed. In the town of Ugwuele, Abia State, archaeologists uncovered stone tools over 6,000 years old, evidence of one of West Africa's earliest human settlements. Here, long before metal or empires, the Igbo story quietly began. The 9th century bronze works of Igbo Ukwu astonished the world, found in a burial chamber. These artifacts, beads, ritual vessels, swords showed metallurgy and artistry that predated much of Europe. The kingdom of Nuri was no empire of armies, but of spirit. Founded by Iri, a divine ancestor, Tenari priests spread peace, ritual purification, and taboos across Igbo land. They governed through sacred authority, not conquest. To the south, the Arachukwu Confederacy rose through the feared Ibini Ugpabi oracle. It guided trade, diplomacy, and justice, sometimes casting judgments that shaped the lives of thousands. The Igbo rejected kingship in most regions. Instead, they built village democracies, governed by elders, title holders, age grades, and women's assemblies like the Umwada. Power was earned, not inherited. The Igbo language is one of Africa's oldest tongues, part of the Niger-Congo family. Its dialects differ, but its soul unites. Through proverbs, chants, and masquerade, Igbo became both voice and memory. Some say the Igbo came from Israel. Others claim migrations from the Nile, but archaeology says otherwise. The Igbo emerged from the soil they still walked. Their past is indigenous, formed by time, not conquest. The Igbo may share cultural threads with the Noki, civilization to the north and ancient, Bantu-speaking populations. But over thousands of years, they forged a distinct civilization of their own. From Calabar and Boni, the Igbo were taken in chains, families broken, names lost. Yet even in bondage, they resisted. In Georgia, 1803, dozens of Igbo walked into the sea rather than live enslaved. Today, traces of Igbo identity remain across the Atlantic, from Jamaica's Unu to the ring shouts of the Carolinas. The ancestors speak still, in rhythm, in roots, in resistance. The Igbo is not a tribe. They are a civilization, one born of spirit, forged in struggle and crowned by resilience. Their story was never lost. It was waiting to be told.